Alright, what is going on, guys? It's Sam here. Today I'm bringing you a new video. In today's video we're doing something very special for the 335i. We're installing a new M3 bumper. I'm sure you can tell how it looks like by the title of the video, but we got it legit painted. We already picked it up, but first, before we even start doing stuff to the 335i, I'm headed out to Horizon Coffee. It's a local detail garage meet, and I'm about to go meet some homies. They said they were gonna go, and I'm gonna see if they out there. Maybe we can get some vlog footage with them. Alright guys, so we just got back home from the car meet. Tommy just got back from Florida. He was over there for a vacation. But here's a little update on the E46. I know y'all haven't seen it in a long time. I might be selling the car, guys. I know it's pretty sad. I know I haven't even shown y'all that I got these wheels a couple months ago. One of my homies sold it to me. But I might be selling it, to be honest. I still love this car, guys, but I really think it's time to let it go. As you can tell, I did raise it. I straightened the wheel, so no more camber for the E46. It's been a good daily, but I might let her go because I really want to get this other car that I got in mind. Okay guys, so here's the E92, still looking pretty clean. The only problem we have with the E92 is that this headlight keeps getting foggy. Thomas is trying to buy some new aftermarket headlights so the front end can look mean, especially with this M series bumper. The front end is going to change, but we do need this headlight so it can look 100 times better. Alright guys, so here goes the new bumper. As you can tell, we got it a couple days ago and we got it professionally painted. It also came with some grills that we got painted and with some fog lights, so it shouldn't be too hard installing it on the E92. And this bumper looks sick, guys. It's gonna look much more aggressive on the E92, and I can't wait for Thomas to get the headlights. So let's go ahead and put this bumper on that car right now. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do to remove this bumper is just take these 4 bolts out, and that should be giving you some space to take off the grills, or you can take it off like this, but you can break them too. So we're just doing it the right way. Then you can lift the bumper. Alright guys, so we removed it off the ramps to make it easier, because we do gotta take 2 bolts out of here, and we can turn the wheel to give us some more space. But then we gotta take out these washer fluids, and the bumper should be coming off. It's hold on by 6 bolts in the washer fluids, and should slip up right off. So let's go ahead and do that. So here is the M3 bumper, and here's the stock bumper. As you can tell, this bumper looks plain, and it's also a lot more faded. I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but I'll show you in a second. This is more fresh, and this had a lot of like marks, scratches. You can tell rocket chips a lot, which is normal for a daily driver, but you could tell the fog lights were worn out and everything. And this get brand new fog lights and grills, so this bumper about to look so sweet on the E92. Alright guys, now that I got the fog lights and the covers on right here, you can see the difference between the bumpers. I think if you own an E92, either if it's a 328 or 335i, this is a must-do upgrade in order to make your E92 like 10 years newer. So let's go ahead and install this, and hopefully we don't run into no problems. Alright guys, so it's been a while since I recorded, but as you can tell, we got the bumper on. We still got a couple more bolts to go. But since it is aftermarket, you do gotta play with the fitment a little bit. But once you play with it and do some modification, the bumper does fit nicely. So all we gotta do is just put 3 more bolts on the top and 1 more bolt on each side, and we can just go ahead and lower the car and see how it looks. But we also need to buy some more well, not some more, but we need to buy some adapters for these fog lights because the bulbs are different. Let me show you. we gotta buy a new part of this. I think the number we gotta buy is 9006. So we'll probably go to AutoZone in a little bit and see if we can find the right part and see if the fog light bulbs are HIDs. All right, guys. So me and Tommy just got out of AutoZone. This is what you're gonna need. 9006. I think it was only like $15, so it's pretty cheap. And then we can go ahead and wire it to the old wires, and we can connect the new bulbs. And hopefully they are LED. We don't know yet, so we'll find out when we get back home. Okay, guys. So this is what we're talking about. The fog light. We gotta change both of these. Get some wire strippers and just cut them out. You can reuse them whenever you want. So this is how we're doing it, guys. We're using these little things. That way we can connect this, and it will be a clean little setup. And then we can put some black tape around it, some black electrical tape. And then the fog light will turn on. So let's go. Okay, guys. So it took us a little bit longer than what we expected, but as you can tell, the bumper is now on. Go ahead and turn off the fog light lamps so that they can see the fog lights. But we're about to go ahead for some rollers and see how it looks rolling. But as you can tell, the fog lights are not LED, they are your standard bulbs. So maybe in the future Thomas will upgrade to some LED fog lights. He did have them for this bumper, but they are different bulbs. So now we just gotta buy some new ones. So we'll head out for the rollers. Hope you guys enjoy them. Alright guys, well I'm about to go ahead and end the video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. As you can tell, we installed the bumper for the E92 and we got the E46 right in the back. So let me know if you want to see some more E46 content. I know I always say that, guys, but I might sell it, so I might be doing some upgrades to get a little bit more money out of it. But let me know if I should sell it or not. I mean, at this point I really can't ever get the money back what I put in, but it's more like a sentimental thing. So I don't know if I want to sell it or not. I do, but I don't. But let me know what you think about the E92. And as always, guys, it's been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.